Contrary to popular belief, guys, pork is best enjoyed slightly pink. Keep watching. I'll explain. You'll see. All right, everyone. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are making some Southern-style smothered pork chops. Here are the list of ingredients. Feel free to pause it as always. Guys, this is a super yummy dish. It's super simple. Are you ready? Let's go! All right, first things first, get you one whole onion and start to grate it. If you don't want to grate it, you can always use a knife. I like to grate mine when I'm making smothered because I feel like it causes a smaller slice and an inconsistent, which is perfect for the gravy that we're going to make. All right, once you get those sliced, go ahead and add in some seasonings. You're gonna hit it with some salt, Johnny's seasoning pride. If you ain't got it, you can use any kind of barbecue seasoning, anything like that. Go ahead, start mixing it in, guys, and then you're gonna add in that extra virgin olive oil. That is the key to these onions. That's gonna mix well, so just incorporate all the flavor. Now comes a very crucial moment. Take your pork chops and dry them. You could use a towel, as you see me here. I love these cooking towels. If you ain't got one, go ahead and use a paper towel. Either way, you just want to dry these pork chops. Why? Because the seasoning is going to stick to them and it's going to allow it to be a more moist pork chop. All right, turn your heat all the way to high. Get you a skillet or a frying pan and add in that extra virgin olive oil. All right, guys, the next step is super important. Go ahead and get your flour and sprinkle it onto the pork chops. That's right, you want to sprinkle the front, the back. Use the pork chop itself to soak up the sides, fat, pork, cap, you name it. Sprinkle it all over. Just get it incorporated. That's right. Why? Because this is going to provide a layer of crust when you fry your pork chops. Now, you're going to want to add in a tablespoon of butter to this oil. Why? Because oil burns, guys. You want to go ahead and add in that butter so that way there it does not discolor your pork chops. Gently lay in your pork chops, laying away from you, so that way there nothing splashes up on you and you get burnt. Now, as these pork chops are cooking, go ahead and sprinkle on some more seasoning, taking advantage of the fact that these are floured in, dried, and it's going to soak in that flavor. Go ahead, add you some of your Johnny's Tennessee seasoning pride, or like I said, any barbecue smoked rub will do fine. Follow it up with some dried oregano and some sage, and then you're going to add in some salt. That's right, simple ingredients make this unbelievable. Now, as you see me doing here, your pork chops are going to start to feel tender and pushy and mushy. That's right, don't flip them, keep them going. You're going to want to cook these for about 5 to 6 minutes. Look at that crust. That crust is amazing. Now you flip your pork chops. Go ahead and give it a good turn. It's ready to go. And just like last time, we're gonna sprinkle some more seasoning, but we're only using salt on this one. Why? Because all that pan holds everything for you. All right, now after a couple of minutes, you're gonna go ahead and flip the pork chops onto their side. You want to sear all 4 sides of this if you can. Just get them there, sit them up. Be careful, that oil is gonna splatter on you. Look at that, it's beautiful, ready to go. Look at it, I'm telling you. Now it's time to go ahead and flip it and do the other side. Might not stand up straight, so that's okay. Take them and leaning them on the side of the skillet or frying pan, whatever you are using, and let them cook for another 30, 60 seconds at most, because it's gonna be ready to go. Take these out, put them on a plate, and let them rest. Let them rest. They're not cooked all the way, so don't eat them. But now we're gonna add in the remaining portions of our butter. It's about 2.5 tablespoons. We are going to let this butter melt down because we are going to start making our onion gravy. I would love to put some mushrooms in here, but unfortunately I forgot to pick them up and the ones in the fridge went bad. So just using onions for this one, but right now would be the time. You would also add in your mushrooms if you wanted mushrooms. Take a couple cloves of garlic, throw it in there. That's going to add some elevated flavor to this profile. Just get them all mixed in there, guys, as you see me doing right here. And it's ready to go. Let them cook. Just let them cook down. You're gonna add in some flour, sprinkle it in there. Now it's time to follow it up with all of your seasonings. Just use the remainder portions of seasonings that you have. Get them in there, no particular way or order. Just mix it all in. get it added to the pan and start to mix it. Mix them all good. As you can see, this is going to start thickening up. That is the base of your gravy. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Super thick. It's ready to go. On to the next step. Now it's time to come in and add in your chicken broth. Add it in slowly, roughly a half a cup. You don't want to over liquefy your gravy, so slow and steady is the way we're doing this. That's right. Start mixing it in. As you can see, it will slowly thicken up as it cooks in. Then you are going to go ahead and add in another half a cup of chicken broth. Go ahead and mix it in. Just let that all get incorporated. As you see, I made a mess. It's okay. If you ain't making a mess, it ain't fun. Let this cook down, guys. It's going to thicken up. Best part now, smother your pork chops. Get your pork chops, add them into the pan. Add in all that drippings. Don't let anything go to waste. That is flavor. That is flavor you need to add into this gravy. Let that drip back in and start to cover your pork chops. Smother these pork chops. That's why they're called smothered pork chops. That's right. You are finished cooking these pork chops in this gravy. It is going to be a super tender and super moist pork chop. This is delicious. As you can see, Maddie's loving it. I love this. The kids love it. Get you a lid, cover it, and cook for 2 minutes. Taking it out, look at that. It's starting to thicken up. Make sure you frequently stir so that way there it does not burn. But you still have to cook these down. They're not ready, guys. They are not ready. So cover, re-stir, cover, cook. 2 minutes. It's a process. Just do it. Look at that. Look how thick this gravy's getting. Oh my God. And by the way, the juices are rendering into the pork chop and the gravy. So this is going to be the most delicious gravy you've ever had in your life. Go ahead. Now, after 2 more minutes, you are ready. These pork chops should be done. How do we know when our pork chops are done? Use an electronic thermometer. It's the best way. Guys, I'm telling you, pork is done when the internal temperature is 145 to 155 degrees and you let it rest for 3 minutes. Pork is best served slightly pink. And people will tell you you're gonna get worms and everything. No, pork is best at 145 degrees. Plate this up with some stuffing and some greens, and guys, I am telling you, this is a delicious. Give me my plate back. Give me my, man, one of these days. All right, guys, as always, thank you for watching Cooking Time with Johnny, the home of simple, fun, delicious recipes with that country twist. Thank you for liking and subscribing, and guys, we'll see you in the kitchen next time. Thank you.